Today we're making these smoked baby back ribs on the Traeger. These are so delicious. It is a grill takeover again. We have Father's Day coming up this week and we're taking over Dad's grill. So today I'm doing the Traeger smoker, which is one of my favorites. It is like almost like a crock pot. You just set it and forget it, except everything tastes just absolutely amazing that comes off of it. Today we're doing ribs, which is another favorite, and for some reason I don't have any ribs in the blog, so it just worked out perfectly. But we have Father's Day coming up this Sunday, and if you want to really impress Dad, make this. It pairs perfectly with baked beans, coleslaw, macaroni and cheese, all those country fixins that are just perfect with ribs. You guys are gonna absolutely love this one, so let's get started. We are doing that classic 3-2-1 method for this recipe, so we have to start early because it's gonna be 6 hours, plus we're like adding an extra hour because these need to sit at room temperature first. You can see I have my coffee in hand. It's still early in the morning. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and unwrap these and let them sit for about 30 minutes. If they look really wet, go ahead and pat them dry with some paper towels. Then we're gonna coat them with some Dijon mustard, and we're doing our own barbecue rub, but you can easily just grab like I think Byron's pork rub is really good. You can easily just, if you have that at home, sprinkle it all over the top. For this recipe, I didn't have any pork rub, so I used brown sugar. I have some garlic powder, salt. I used chili powder, paprika, and the brown sugar is the heaviest part of this recipe for sure. It tastes so good, and it like coats, makes them caramelized, so yummy. Then we're gonna let these sit for another 30 minutes before we put them out on our smoker. We're gonna be smoking these low and slow. So for the 3-2-1 method, we have 3 hours unwrapped on the barbecue. Then we're gonna wrap them up in tin foil with some apple cider vinegar and some butter. We're gonna smoke them for 2 hours. Then we're gonna unwrap them, coat them with barbecue sauce, and smoke them for another hour. We're doing low and slow at 225 for this recipe. Just realized we don't have enough pellets, so I'm gonna get these started and then I'm gonna go to Costco and get some more. Okay, so these are ready to hit the grill at 225. Just made it to Costco, you guys. Highly recommend Tuesday. Wait, it's Monday. Monday morning at Costco. There's no one here. Okay, guys, $450 later, I got the $12 pellets, but I got more stuff too. I got this for Robert for Father's Day, which I thought was really cute. He's like obsessed with coolers, and I thought I'd like fill it up. I got like towels and then this little sunscreen, ice packs. I'll probably put like, oh, I got this grill seasoning today too, which was new. I haven't seen this. And then, oh my gosh, I got these for me and the kids because they look so good. Love sprinkles cupcakes. I had to try them. I'm hitting up Chick-fil-A for some chicken minis for the girls this morning because I didn't cook breakfast. Okay, so we are back in the kitchen. I just pulled the ribs off. They look so good already, and they still have like 3 hours to go. But we've done 3 hours of smoking, and now we're gonna wrap these up in some foil. You could also use parchment paper, that's totally fine too. Just make sure your foil is long enough. And we're gonna wrap each rib individually. All right, and then once I get that on there, I'm gonna spray them really good with some apple cider vinegar. That's all that's in this container is just apple cider vinegar. And then I'm gonna get some butter. I'm gonna do about 4 tablespoons of butter on each rack and just like kind of let it melt on top of it. My husband always does this and I feel like it makes things turn out really well. All right, and this is ready. We are gonna wrap it up really good. I'm gonna add another piece of foil to the top. So like this. And then we'll wrap our next one. Okay, you guys, it's time for the surprise. We have a new member to the family. Let me get her. This is Penny. Her name's Penelope. We just got her this weekend on Saturday. So this is gonna be Hutch's new best friend. He doesn't know it yet because he doesn't really like her yet, but we're getting there. He's gonna get used to her. I think it's just because she's so small right now, because he does get along with other dogs pretty well. He actually just got fixed too, so it's been a crazy few weeks. But isn't she cute? She's like the fuzziest little fur, but she's definitely a biter already. She's been biting the kids and me, and we've only had her for a few days, so, but she's so cute. She sleeps a lot right now still. After 2 hours, we're gonna remove these from the smoker and unwrap them. Just be really careful because it gets super hot and steamy inside. You can just go ahead and toss that foil, and you want the meaty side on top still with the bones in the bottom. And we're gonna use our sticky sweet stubs for this recipe. It is an original sauce. You can use any kind you want, but you wanna use an original because if it's vinegar based, it's gonna be too runny. You want it to be nice and thick. So just go ahead and use a brush to coat that sauce all on. And these are gonna go back on the smoker for an hour. Penny is back asleep. She is so stinking cute. I can't get enough of her. We're gonna smoke these for an hour. We want that internal temperature to reach between 190 degrees to 205 degrees, so they're nice and fall apart tender. You might have to cook them for an extra half hour or so to reach this temperature. For some reason, my smoker really liked to be around 215, even though I had it at 225. So I did cook mine for about an extra 30 minutes, but these turned out so yummy. My tripod just broke, which is super convenient, but I'm gonna tent my ribs with some foil, and then for serving, I'm doing super easy. I did canned baked beans. I'm doing some just watermelon slices. Oh, coleslaw, of course. This is my 5-minute coleslaw recipe, which is so easy. I almost forgot, you have to have pickles too. Ribs and pickles go so good together. Okay guys, I started slicing them, and I mean, this is the definition of fall off the bone. They just are hardly even staying on. They're so tender and delicious. That's it, you guys. We're all done with these Traeger smoked ribs. They are so delicious, fall apart tender, just absolutely amazing. Dad will love this recipe. I hope you guys consider making it. It's seriously so easy, and it turns out so delicious. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for new recipes every single week. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.